Hello and welcome to NCTV episode 22, and today the focus is on mattresses, specifically advice on choosing the right one for you. As I'm sure you'll know, this is a bit of a controversial minefield as everyone has their own different styles, tastes and needs. Plus there's lots of different advice out there for different people, and it depends on if you're talking about babies, children, women, elderly, allergy sufferers, and there's even different mattresses to suit each sleeping position. So clearly there's no one size fits all, but hopefully this should shed some light on what may be the best in your situation, or to help your spine posture, pain, comfort, or sleep quality, for example. First things first, when should you replace your mattress? Well, the Sleep Council and National Bed Federation both recommend that you replace it every 7 years to ensure optimal comfort, support, and a better night's sleep. Since we spend about a third of our lives in bed, it makes sense that we replace it before it undergoes too much wear and tear, as good quality sleep is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle and overall well-being. Sleeping on an old, misshapen, uncomfortable mattress can result in neck pain and back pain, thus reducing your overall sleep quality. With that in mind, it's always worth spending in accordance to value as opposed to price, but bear in mind that the more expensive it doesn't actually mean the better it is. So aside from sticking to the 7-year principle, signs that your mattress is due to be replaced are if it starts to feel like it's a bit lumpy with the springs poking out, if you're waking up achy, having to change position regularly, or if you sleep better in different beds, for example, like at hotels. Now you've established you need a new mattress, which one do you choose? The 3 things to consider are size, firmness and comfort. Firstly, to choose the right size. Lie side by side with your partner with your elbows out, and if you can do it comfortably without touching, then that's fine. If not, then you may want to consider buying the next size up, for example a king or super king. Secondly, in terms of firmness, there's actually no right or wrong answer, as this is really down to individual preference and what's best for you and your circumstances. Generally speaking though, if you're slighter in build and weight with no back problems, then the soft to mediums should be fine. Mediums are probably the most commonly used and accommodate most body types, plus would be more beneficial for back pain sufferers if used with a solid base, that is. Medium to firm can be good compromise if you or your partner find it difficult to agree on either a medium or firm. This mattress type will also be of benefit to back pain sufferers when it's used with a solid base. And whilst not much clinical data does exist about mattresses, one study found that medium to firms usually provide more back pain relief than firm mattresses. Saying that, firms are purported to provide more support, and they're usually ones with ortho in the name, and can be more suitable for people who have back problems and are more of the larger than average frame types. Extra firms are the most supportive and will also be the ortho types, and these are mostly beneficial to those with very bad back problems, but not to be recommended for those with a slender build. When looking into all these options, be sure to factor comfort as well as support into the equation. An extra firm will provide support, but at the possible detriment to comfort. And for some, a medium to firm may be easier on the shoulders and hips by allowing them to sink in slightly. The third consideration is comfort and which material mattress suits your preferences. I could spend forever discussing all the different options as to the layers and the springs or memory foam, latex, gel, or more natural fillings like cotton, wool or silk, but the reality is that all of them are designed to offer a comfortable and supportive sleeping surface, so rather than getting bogged down by it all as to which one is best for others, simply try them out in store and decide for yourself which feels best for you. From a back and joint pain perspective, the key is to find a mattress that keeps your back aligned while you're sleeping to ease the pressure on your muscles and joints. Also, accept a trial if it's an option, as it's important to get it right. It's worth noting that to preserve the quality of the mattress, you should look to reposition it by either rotating or flipping it every 3 to 6 months to ensure that it wears evenly. To conclude, the main takeaways from today are that the decision should ultimately be yours based on your preferences or needs for either comfort or support. The bigger the better, and try before you buy. And if you do all those things, you can't go too far wrong. That's today's bite-sized bit to help your health flourish. See you next time. Bye-bye.